and I lightly stir the mixture. Now, the liquid dishwasher, they have certain chemicals that breaks the oil particles. Yes. No, it breaks the oil particles and it helps them mix with water. What happens now is that you get shiny particles inside the water, which is oil, and the oil will not come on top of the water. Now it's mixed because of the dishwasher, okay? Because of the liquid soap. See?
Washing.
Yes.
It is washing. It is washing.
Now when you cook something with oil in a vessel and you want to wash off the oil, you need to use the liquid soap or any dishwashing soap, okay? And that will break the oil particles and help remove the oil stain from the vessels. Got it?
Like yellow color. Yeah, chocolate.
Our last question again. Is soil soluble in water?
Yes. No. No. No, 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 no.
Because soil particles are heavy, they settle at the bottom. Okay. This process is called sedimentation.
Sedimentation.
Is salt soluble in water? Yes. Salt can dissolve in water. And oil, can it dissolve in water? No, it cannot dissolve. But when you add dishwasher, liquid dishwasher, can it dissolve? Yes, it can.
Ask her to take that side.
Yes.
Ask her to take that side. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳ್ತ.
Now our experiment is completely open.
Teacher, but this is no, na? I put this one.
End of experiment.